This is the olive head wrap from Lanaola.com. This is a style if you have hair and you have a bun that you want to just wear a wrap with, or even if you don't have a bun, you can use another head wrap. Just put the head wrap right on top of your head. So start with the back of your head, putting the wrap on, pulling the fronts down, and then crossing the fronts across the front of your forehead, twisting it around each other just to make it smaller so that when you're pulling it towards the back, it's like a string. So you put it around the back of the bun and you're going to tuck it around now the front of your forehead right under. You're going to do that with the other side. Just pull it around to the front of your forehead and tuck it right under. You look like royalty. LanaOla.com.